Hey there, book lovers! Ever felt that rush when you crack open a bestseller? Well, brace yourself because everything you know about best-selling books is a lie. I know, sounds dramatic, right? But stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll blow your mind. Let's kick things off with the New York Times bestsellers list. You'd think it's all about sales. The more books sold, the higher you go. Simple, right? Wrong. The list is actually curated. Some books get a boost, others get left out, and some even hit the list before they're released. Yep, you heard me. And get this. Some authors and publishers buy their own books in bulk to manipulate rankings. Crazy, right? But it works. Welcome to the secret bestseller loophole. Now, what really makes a book go viral? It's not just the story, it's a formula. 3 magic ingredients: emotion, controversy, and community. First up, emotion. The biggest books make you feel something: heartbreak, rage, triumph. Ever notice how every hit novel tugs at your heartstrings? Readers don't just want a story, they want an experience. Next, controversy. Books that get banned, they sell more. The moment a book is seen as dangerous or forbidden, everyone wants to read it. And finally, community. Forget ads and reviews, it's all about fans. TikTok trends, Bookstagram, online book clubs. When readers feel like they're part of something bigger, they turn a book into a movement. Now let's talk famous authors. Think they made it on talent alone? Think again. J.K. Rowling, for example. We love the story of her being rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a hit. But here's the twist. Scholastic didn't just publish the book, they turned it into a phenomenon with massive marketing campaigns. Or take The Great Gatsby. It was a flop until schools made it required reading. Suddenly, an ignored book became a masterpiece. And Stephen King? Rejected 30 times before Carrie got published. Hollywood picked it up, and he became a brand. Here's the publishing industry's biggest secret. Most books never get a chance. 95% of manuscripts are rejected, not because they're bad, but because publishers bet on sure things. Celebrity authors, movie deals, trendy topics, it's all about what they think will sell. So what's the takeaway? Bestsellers aren't just about talent. They're about strategy, marketing, timing, community, and controversy. Next time you pick up a book, remember, the story on the page isn't the only story that matters. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What book do you think should be a bestseller? See you next time for more hidden truths about books and authors.